What's up everybody, it's Sammy Wallin. It's my 2016 bike check. We're just going to get right to it. Got 20.6 VSD WZAV2. Got some Giraffics 9-inch E-clap Mercury stem. And then we got some discontinued Stevie Churchill forks. Alright, so for the front wheel setup, we got a Primo VS rim placed to a tree front hub with straight full spokes. Got some S&M cymbal hub guides, VSD root tubes. And for this back, we got a Demolition complete wheel, free coaster, zero rim, momentum tire, cymbal non-drive, and a kink drive side with the demo tire. What else should we get to? I guess got a new cold seat, back signature I guess. Demolition tripod, same one as last time. Got the 26 tooth bed sprocket, it's pretty fresh. Some 170 demolition cranks. Got a Shadow Supreme chain, some old E-clap plaza pedals, shadow bearings throughout, E-clap zap grips, some Odyssey power ends.
Try to play some pool.
That basically wraps it up.